everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be making a color wheel. So I want you to go ahead and grab red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple construction paper. We're going to be cutting those out in circles and then gluing it down to create our very own color wheel. If you don't have construction paper, all good. Just grab some crayons or some markers and you can color it in instead. Now, on top of our color wheel, we are going to be drawing 6 different emotions. And I've chosen emotions that are usually associated with that color because, as we know, sometimes color and emotion are connected. Now, today we're going to practice drawing 6 different emotions, and I really want us to focus on how we can change the mouth and the eyebrows. Just with those 2 things, we can draw a lot of different types of emotions. So, today we're going to be drawing angry, surprised, happy, peaceful or chill, sad, and excited. Right? Emotions are something that we all experience as humans. It's okay to not always feel happy, although happiness does feel really good. You and I, we've all felt some of these emotions before, and so today we're going to practice drawing them and also associating them with a color as well. So today you're going to need Roy G. Biv rainbow color construction paper, a white sheet of paper, a pencil, scissors, glue, and a marker to add our emotions and also our labels. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.